Good evening everyone, my name is Nipun Siyar and I am founder of Botchware, AI Automations. So first, raise your hand, like whosoever heard about ChatGPT. Okay, everybody's here heard about ChatGPT, right? So today we'll talk about prompt engineering in ChatGPT. What is prompt engineering in ChatGPT? How we can make good use of ChatGPT. So basically we discuss 3 prompts which are applicable to every entrepreneur, every startup. If you are doing job also, it is applicable to that. So my first prompt is book summaries. So how many of you read books on daily basis? Raise your hand. Okay, great. Like I love to read books, but I am not fond of it. Like I tried so many times that I just pick up the book and know what exactly it needs. Because when you mentor, like when you are mentoring someone or you are getting mentored by someone, they always tell you to read books. But whatever your friend tell you that 3 points you can get this from, like you can get a conclusion of a book. So that prompt we can apply over here. In this case, like we can open up direct ChatGPT account and rather reading all the book, like I am a very lazy kind of person, I consume video content so much, but I don't consume, like it's very difficult for me to read every day. So what I will do first, let's our first prompt, just paste our first prompt over here to summarize the book. So now ignore all the instructions prior to the one, and I have tell ChatGPT to act as a author, reader who reads so many books. So first I will tell to summarize any of book. Look, my first prompt is let's summarize Three Idiot book by Chetan Bhagat. Okay, write it down, summarize 3. So it's a novel by Chetan Bhagat, is it? What was the name of the book on which Three Idiots has been made? 5 Point Someone, right? So I'm not aware about that, but when I tell ChatGPT to summarize this with Three Idiots, then ChatGPT replied me back, no, that book is, apologies, that book is 5 Point Someone by Chetan Bhagat. So now what I needed from this? The conclusion of the story. So here, my next prompt is, I told them just to summarize everything. Yes, you are right. So here, novel 5 Point Someone is getting summarized. Then ChatGPT asked me, like what you require from my side. You want in-depth analysis or you want a brief summary? So let it be a brief summary. So in that case, it gives me a brief overview of a book in which it is telling us title, 5 Point Someone, author, and what are the basic needs we get from this. Like it's concluded that it's a story of IIT people. I think all of you have watched Three Idiot also, and some of you have read 5 Point Someone. So in that case, it's concluded everything. The story touches the theme of friendship, love, everything. So whenever I see some good books in my friend's house and somebody recommend me a book, I directly go to ChatGPT, put it over here and get it summarization. So that's the knowledge I just want to get it from ChatGPT. So my second, because my third prompt is very important, which is applicable to everyone over here, either you are a student. So second example, before that, I will show up you one video that will give you, like, we'll open up a video. So it's just a 60 seconds video and then we conclude that.
Come in here to see what I've got. Thomas, meet McCannell. Mr. McCannell here is taking your job as mouse catcher. Are you through laughing, Tom? Then watch this. progress, the machine age, and stuff like that. But don't worry. Maybe you can find an old-fashioned house that needs an old-fashioned cat.
So can anybody remembers that who won at the last? It will give you a nostalgic kind of feeling, Tom and Jerry. AI won or Tom won? Tom won. Very good, ma'am. Tom won. So now we are not fighting between AI and human because everybody is doing that, right? So what we can do, we'll take up a next scenario. What if they train Tom to give training to AI to get best inputs? So in that case, your company, your employees will take care of the rest of the work through AI and you focus on scaling your business. You need not to involve in day-to-day tasks, right? So a second prompt is how to validate your startup. So there is a methodology called Lean Startup Methodology Marketing Generator. Can anybody over here tell me what is Lean Startup Methodology? So Lean Startup Methodology is to validating your startup because at the time when you are at a startup, you can't hire a big team. You can't hire a very experienced people. You can have a mentor like Sahil sir because it's a very big opportunity over here if you just get in touch with him. But everybody has not that much opportunity. Like if you are into tier 2, tier 3 city or even while raising capital, you don't have that much funds in which you can brainstorm. So here in this case, this prompt will do everything for you. Like they can validate your startup according to the customer persona. What is customer persona? It's all depend upon business to business. Like in my case, my customer persona is in digital marketing is like if we do B2B, B2C clients who wants to scale and who wants to eliminate the repetitive kind of task. So second prompt will put up Lean Startup Methodology in which Lean Startup they can validate the idea. I am taking an example of my like we are doing digital marketing through AI. So just paste the second prompt over here. And it will give you each and every marketing strategy according to a person. So first we need to tell that do you understand Lean Startup Methodology to ChatGPT? So now he told me that I understand that. You need to tell your persona and each and everything. From this prompt, it keeps on moving. Like if you give you example, define an objectives. You have a clear objective when you are working on a startup or you are an established company. Second, identify target audience. Like if you are into EV, then they will tell you that they are the car owners who's running right now diesel cars because diesel are eliminating day by day. On third, design experiments like A/B testing. Can anybody give me example of A/B testing? So like I will give you A/B testing is kind of thing when we are sitting with our marketing team, like content team, we write some of the prompts with ChatGPT and rest what we tell rest of the team don't use any AI tool. Content will created by you only. And we shoot it around 1500 to 2000 mails by using both the methodology. One is with ChatGPT and second one is through human. So what we response get is like when somebody like out of this we reply what was the open rate and all calculated, that is called A/B testing. But in B testing, when the content was written by the content writers, we came to somebody replies back, stop using ChatGPT. So now, but the content was written by our content team. So you never know like the perception of people, how personalized emails you can send. So everything gets sorted from this, like how to iterate, how to scale the marketing campaign, everything is there. When you start putting up your answers over there, they will more validate your idea. So that is the second prompt. So here, my third prompt is, right now we are running out of time. So my third prompt is prompt creator. What if you know how to create a prompt? So right now, like there are so many workshops going on, so many mentors tell you that these are the methodologies, and even when you just put up on Facebook ads, lots of people are selling you like 3000 plus ChatGPT prompts for 5,000 bucks, 10,000 bucks. What if you tell ChatGPT to create ChatGPT prompt? So you never want any prompt from some other people. So I am running out of time right now. In prompt creator, I am placing it on my, just move the next slide, because hardly we are running out of time. So I'm putting that prompts on my LinkedIn profile. The third prompt, if you copy paste on ChatGPT, either you are on paid version, either you are on free version. Because I'm using paid version right now because our company do lots of automations. So you can create any niche prompt or any niche you can create, from food industry to tech industry. You can create any prompt regarding to your company. So if you want that prompt, I have just posted it on my LinkedIn profile. My profile name is Nipun Syal. You can go there and check it out. I have pasted all the 3 prompts over there. And from third prompt, you can generate near number of prompts. Right? So we are running out of time. Thank you. My name is Nipun Syal. I am founder of Botsware. Thank you so much. And